Okay, so I don't know if you can see this on camera. I think you can. So you might be able to see that there's a texture in here. It's really pronounced here. And that is scale. We have hard water here. And the hard water has been building up, and I have not been using the right kind of filter apparently. And now the scale, because it's developed this texture, the ice cubes are stuck to the scale and aren't detaching even when the tray flexes. At least that's what I think is going on. Buying a new one of these, I wasn't able to find just the tray, which seems like it would be the cheap solution. I'm sure it's available somewhere. But buying a replacement ice maker, something like $140 plus like $70 shipping, I don't want to spend that. I mean, I will if I have to because I love ice, but I don't want to. So I'm going to try this. This is a great excuse to use my new ultrasonic cleaner. Please excuse the mess in here. So what I've done is, rather than buying any kind of expensive ultrasonic cleaning solution, I've just put in some vinegar and water and some dish soap. I'm going to put it inside, and I'm not going to turn on the heater, and we will see what happens. Okay, let's see. I peeked a couple times, and let's see here. Okay. I definitely don't see all that residue. The scale's gone. I can't feel it. It feels very smooth. So I'm gonna go rinse this off, stick it back in the freezer, and see if I can make some ice. I'm excited. I need a cold drink. All right, looks good. Okay, so this looks like it was a big success. It's been running overnight, and so far it's been producing ice, and it hasn't been dumping water in the ice bucket. Now, I did want to say, if you don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, that really isn't required here. I just wanted an excuse to use my new toy. What you can do is you can soak the tray in vinegar, or I've read this online, water mixed with citric acid. And you do this for a few hours. It'll take longer without the ultrasonic cleaner, but it'll still work. And there you go. That's how you fix an ice machine that is dumping water in the ice bucket because it's not releasing the ice cubes. I hope this video was useful for somebody. If it helped you, please let me know in the comments. I'm including the model number of my fridge in the description, but this style of ice maker is pretty common, so hopefully this helps.